Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can
Uh,
hear. Did you see the copy that I sent to you?
oh, no, I couldn't actually.
You did. You
I
haven't
was
read.
at work that time.
Okay, it's okay.
The time I was at work at my office.
No problem. Okay, it's
Mm.
okay.
I just,
So,
it's my daily routine. Like, I came from work, then I take breakfast, then I start class. That's my daily routine. Too busy.
you have no time to review. But if you have time to open that copy
Uh-huh.
that I sent to you,
Uh-huh.
it will be very helpful for you, and it
Uh,
will be clear for us to conduct a lesson.
oh,
You
okay.
know, all the lessons
Let me
that
check.
is already there, and the yes, and
Mhm.
the lesson to be take up supposed to be today. I have already sent to you some
Mm.
vocabulary and the rules how to
Mhm.
construct the sentence. The
Oh,
connector, yes,
uh-huh.
it's already there. Okay, let's start. Can we review first the past lesson?
Opo. Sige.
We start. Can you introduce yourself?
Ah, hmm. Kumusta po? Ako ay si Faisal.
Yes.
Ah, ako ay ah, ah, ako ay nagmula sa Bangladesh pero ako ay nakatira sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, maybe we will review the number. Okay.
Po.
Review the number.
Sige.
Can you count 1 to 10?
Ah, isa, dalawa, tatlo, pito, lima,
Apat. Apat, apat.
apat, sorry, I confused between pito and apat. Okay. Apat, lima, anim, pito, uh, pito, walo, siyam, sampo.
Okay. 100.
100, libo, libo or daan?
Daan. Daan.
Daan. Libo is 1,000, right? Mhm.
220.
Wait. Uh, dalawang dalawang daan,
Okay.
uh, dalawang po.
Yes. Let's proceed to the last time ang topic natin is about gusto at yung ayaw. Okay. What is gusto in Tagalog? In English, what is likes is
Gusto.
don't like,
Opo. Akoyo.
ayaw ko.
Ayoko.
How about let's review the foods. How about what is egg in Tagalog?
Itlog.
Itlog. How about rice?
Kanin.
Bread.
Tinapay.
Yes. How about chicken?
Chicken, manok.
Meat.
Meat, karne.
Okay. How about shrimps? You don't
Shrimp.
know. You don't know. I give you that copy.
Uh-huh.
I give you a copy.
Mhm.
I send you that foods and drinks.
Oh,
All of the foods is already there. Like the shrimps. Shrimps is hipon.
mhm. Hipon.
Did you see?
Uh,
Did you see the copy?
yeah, there is a piraso, baso.
Yes, yeah. The piraso. That
Tas,
is the vocabulary. The piraso, the baso, the tasa. Okay,
mm,
you have there.
mhm.
Supot, basket, plate, mangkok. Okay.
So I heard that is not a good word, support.
Huh?
Is that a good word? Support.
Supot is a plastic bag or a paper bag.
Because I've heard it's a bad word in
No,
support.
they are always saying that it's a bad word for the guy. For the guy.
Ah,
Oh,
okay. I never knew this because I knew from all my life it's a bad word for the
no,
guys. Yeah,
no.
support.
The
But you
real
say,
meaning of supot is a plastic bag or a paper bag. But the people
okay.
here in the
Ah,
Philippines, they said if they are bullying some boys who have
uh,
not yet must
yeah, uncircumcised. Then they can
not
call
yet
him.
circumcised, not yet circumcised, they call them supot.
That's why I was shocked. How come you're saying that word?
You know that one? You
Yeah, I
know.
know already, but I never knew the good meaning.
Yeah, but the real
Plastic.
meaning is a plastic bag and a paper bag.
I never knew
What is,
this.
why they called support? Because they said it's not yet circumcised.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
But the real
Yes.
meaning is not bad.
It's an informal way to say someone,
They
right?
just say you are support, but just that is just a saying in bullying the guy who have
Okay.
circumcised. Yes. But the real
Mhm.
meaning is plastic bag or a paper bag. Okay.
Okay, okay.
If somebody say to you, you are support, meaning you are not yet circumcised. That's the meaning.
Actually, whenever I use this word, maybe people will smile.
Yes,
Support.
but that is not bad. But that is not bad words. Really not bad words. That is the term for bullying someone.
Okay, okay.
How about smoked fish, number 18?
Smoked fish, tinapa.
Yes. Sausage. In
Sausage
in the
is
Philippines, we have different longanisa.
longanisa sausage. In Philippines, what?
We have different. Yes, we have different sausages exclusive for the Philippines. That is longanisa. We call that
Uh,
longanisa. Have you
uh,
tasted the longanisa? Not yet.
no, it's my first time I heard that.
When
But
you
sausage.
when you visit Philippines, you try to eat longanisa.
Okay.
Longanisa
Sure.
is we used to eat that during breakfast.
Uh,
I think in Saudi Arabia there are Filipino store, right?
yeah, yeah.
Filipino
You
store
can
you can
ask people. Balad, especially in Jeddah, is famous for Filipino people are very there. There is a store, Filipino store, and all kind of Filipino
food.
food are
Yes.
available.
Then now next is ham. What is ham?
Ham is the same, ham,
Hamon.
but it's
In
written in
Spanish.
it's written here ham, same. So it
Ah,
should be hamon, right? Yeah,
hamon.
same like Spanish.
Yes, the same like Spanish. So we move to the drinks. Drinks is what is water,
Too big.
milk,
Gatas,
coffee,
kape,
beer,
cerveza,
wine,
alak.
fruit juice.
Gatas ng prutas.
Yes. Soft drinks is the same. And chocolate drink is,
Chocolate.
yes. About tea?
Tea is a cha, right?
Yes. Okay, let's move. So I will say in English, you translate in Tagalog. Okay.
Sige.
So thank you very much, Faisal,
Walang
for
anuman.
today. Sige, paalam. Hanggang sa muli.
Paalam. Ingat. Hanggang sa muli.
Ingat.